Hello children, good morning. Now children, yesterday we studied about different types of houses and the factors that decides the type of house. I hope you all have understood clearly. Let's move further with the chapter. Now we are going to study what are the materials used to build different types of houses. Children, as you already know that houses are usually built with whatever material easily found in the area. Depending upon the material used, houses are either classified as kacha house, which is also known as a temporary house, and the pakka house, which is known as a permanent and strong house. Materials used to build a temporary house or a kacha house are tin, bricks, stones, dry leaves, soil, polythene sheets, bamboo. Whereas the materials used for making a permanent house are bricks, iron, steel, timber, marble, cement, etc. Children, do you know what is a smart home? A smart home allows homeowner to control appliances, lights and other devices remotely using a smartphone or a tablet through an internet connection. We would all love to have a smart home, right children? A house that is built becomes a home when we live with a family in it. And we all love to live in a neat and clean house. So we need to clean our house regularly, right children? The daily cleaning, that is sweeping, dusting and mopping, is to be done at home. Weekly cleaning like removing cobwebs, cleaning cupboards and changing bed sheet also helps the house to look clean and stay clean. All the people living in the house should together keep it clean all the times. In a clean house, if you find a pile of books, newspapers, clothes or toys scattered and spread here and there, would you like the mess, children? I didn't think so. So keeping the house neat and tidy is as important as keeping it clean. Many of us have a habit of throwing our things here and there, throwing our bags, books and other things after coming from school. This shouldn't be, children. We should keep our things properly wherever the place is assigned to us by our parents. Place things after use at their right place. Don't throw your things here and there. Your house is your house and you have to keep it neat and tidy and help your parents in keeping it neat. Children, it is very important to remove the garbage from our home every day. Would you like to see a pile of garbage lying in your house or in front of your house or in your backyard? No. It does not only look bad and dirty but also spread diseases. We should throw the garbage only in the dustbin. The dustbin should be properly covered and emptied every day. We should sort the waste in two groups. One group should be of vegetables, fruit peels, eggshells and leftover food. This kind of waste can be put into the green bin. The other group should be of plastic, metal, glass and paper, which can be put into the blue bin. This way we can recycle the waste material. So a safe disposal creates a clean and healthy environment. We all love to live in a beautiful house. And to make our house beautiful and attractive, we decorate our house both inside and outside. During festivals, the front door is decorated with leaves and flowers, and we also make colorful rangolis. Apart from that, we use wall hangings, lamp, photo collages, etc. to make our house appealing and attractive, as our house is where our heart is. Now to sum up, children, the houses may be of different types, but all of them are used for shelter and safety. That's all, children. Have a nice day. Enjoy.